You're a superhero.
Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the best video streaming app on the App Store for the Android. It has the key features like the 1. Free streaming in 1080p. 2. Free streaming on YouTube and Facebook at the same time. 3. Free overlays, in which streamers can add information about their Instagram ID, UP, PAYTM number etc. 4. Option to add custom overlays. 5. Streamers can also read their live chat and see their live subscriber count while streaming. 6. Shield mode, to pause the stream without ending it in case you get a call or message. 8. DND mode, to turn off notifications so that there's no disturbance during your stream. So, it's time to do the actual test of the app. So, let's begin. Open the App Store. Simply, search the app Turnip and click on the Install button. Open the app and click on. Now, click on the Setup Stream. Select the game in the above list only if it is installed, otherwise it won't work. And next select the language in which you will stream and your playing style. Also you can choose more games in the More option. And, click on Continue anyway. You have been proceed to your title and description section to put your title and select the streaming quality. Click on the Next to make a video public or private. Now you are all set to go. Tell me, how is today's video? Do I continue like this? Do mention your thoughts in the comments box and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. So it's me signing off, see you in next. Have a good day.